Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to show you the Ronin Power Ascender. There's been a lot of buzz around this device since its release back in 2017, and that's because it's one of the most unique tools to hit the at-height industries in a long time. Its potential extends far beyond just making it easier for climbers to reach their work areas. The Ronin Power Ascender opens up the world of at-height work to nearly everyone. With this device, new hires require less technical ropes training, fewer physical demands, and fewer components that could lead to error. All things that save time and money. So let's jump right into the physical features of this device. It comes in right around 25 pounds with the battery attached. It achieves a continuous lifting capacity of 400 pounds on a single line, and far more when used with a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1. But be sure to refer to manufacturer recommendations before using a mechanical advantage system with this device. Back to that battery, the Ronin is powered by a hot swappable lithium-ion battery, meaning you can quickly and easily replace it while remaining on your line under tension. A single battery provides about 15 continuous minutes of lifting under a 200-pound load, or about 1,500 feet of rope ascension. As far as operating this device goes, it could not be easier. It features a thumb wheel trigger for speed control, giving you the ability to ascend the rope at 0.5 feet per second up to 1.5 feet per second. When you're ready to descend, simply use the descender arm to be lowered down the rope at a constant speed, similar to many of your rope descender devices. As you can see, it features a variety of connection points for easy integration with your existing hardware. But let's talk about the rope requirements for this device. The Ronin is designed for use with 10mm to 12mm static rope that's 32 strand or higher. It must have a kern mantle or aramid sheath and maintain at least 10mm diameter when the rope is under load. For best results when feeding the rope into the device, the rope should have a fused end using a burning torch or Ronin's specialized rope burning tool, which creates a cone shape. Speaking of accessories, we offer quite a few, so you can deck out your Ronin with all the bells and whistles. Safely store and transport your device with the foam padded hard case. Keep extra batteries on hand for all-day lifting power. Protect the housing from friction with the lift bollard. And keep the internal components of your device free of dirt and debris that cling to your rope with the rope brush. This device is ideal for applications in tower climbing, tree care, and rope access work. It provides quick and easy ascension to any at-height work area, saving you valuable time and energy. To learn more about the Ronin Power Ascender, contact your gear expert or see it for yourself at gmesupply.com.